Swifty's the name. You're looking at the next lead dog for the Arctic Blast delivery service. You're about to see the magic show in 3, and a 2, and a 1, and shoot!
Swifty?
I think I'm pulling uphill. Are we uphill?
Swifty always dreamed of being the world's greatest sled dog.
You are not a dog.
What?
You are a small Arctic fox.
And today,
You can't fight your metabolism.
I can, and I will.
that dream is about to take off.
Swifty?
Hey, Swifty. Please deliver this package for me.
I'm ready to go.
Are you sure about this one?
What's the worst that could happen?
Good morning! I'm here to destroy your town.
Whoa.
To unleash the power of an ancient gas.
Let's go! I've been waiting for this moment. We round up the bad guys, bada bing, bada boom, justice served. How about ya?
Something very bad is going on in the Arctic.
Jeremy Renner,
We gotta stop him.
Heidi Klum,
Swifty, get off up there!
James Franco,
Viva the resistance!
John Cleese,
Surprise!
Omar Sy,
Explain this.
Michael Madsen,
Arctic strong!
Lori Holden,
What have we got here?
with Angelica Houston
There's my #1 star.
and Alec Baldwin.
Oh no, we're gonna be late.
Give me a second.
Are you crazy?
They say it's impossible.
Who's with me?
I will show 'em how to do it incredible. They can see
Incoming!
me and you are
I am freaking out, man!
What could possibly go wrong?
We could become a fox popsicle.
Arctic Dogs.
The gas! Ugh, that smell! It's like the planet made of poopy.